Moonwalkers. I hope you guys are well. Today is a very exciting day because MJ the Musical has finally came to Sydney, Australia. I have been waiting for 3 years to see it. The time has finally come. Today is the 26th of February and tomorrow is my birthday. I know you guys are saying happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Woo. Woo. Oh.
Thank you. Anyways, hope we see some MJ friends. The outfit I'll be wearing tonight is the black and gold jacket that he wore at Madame Tussauds in 1985. My dad is going to make the sash for me. Because my jacket didn't came with the sash, I'm going with my dad to MJ the Musical tonight. See you guys later. Hi guys, we're at the Star Lyric Theatre. MJ the Musical has finished. Hey, it's Hayden. Before Hayden interrupted me, I was going to say, now I know why they won 4 Tony Awards. The lights and the choreography is fantastic. I'm coming again on Saturday with my brother, Milo, and also my friend. I'm going to do a review later. You guys later.
Fancy, look here. Scary. And then, wait again, you're so close. Before they start something else.
You agree with me when I see you kicking dirty
What a show. I don't know what to say about the musical. I'm not saying it was bad. It was bloody amazing. The song set list was fantastic. They mixed songs like Bad and Too Bad. The music band manages to create a jazz swing style to a majority of the set list. They told the story by music. The lights and the choreography was fantastic. It was refreshing to see new choreography. Yes, the moonwalk was in the musical. They don't really do the original choreography, but instead they incorporate the original choreography with new revision choreography. I like the way they changed the choreography. They mention about their pills. Because of the Pepsi ad and stress, you can really feel his pain and suffering. It made me tear up. I don't know if the story was real. Some things actually happened. My favorite part of the musical was Thriller. I don't want to give anything away if you guys haven't seen it yet. It's not an MJ tribute show. Just go with your open mind. Don't be like those MJ fans who complain about everything, like me, ha ha ha. Don't be like, oh, he wore a white suit with a blue armband. Oh, he's supposed to be wearing this shirt instead of that shirt. It's a musical. Because musicals changes stuff for theatre purposes. Overall, I give it a 10 out of 10. I got some things from the musical. I got a tote bag, a water bottle, and a glove that looks like from Motown 25, a keychain, a t-shirt, and the program book, which I had Roman Banks signed it. Also, I took a photo with him as well. If you don't know of Roman Banks, he plays the role of the older Michael in the Dangerous Era. When he was singing, he sounded like Michael a little bit. Well, Moonwalkers, this is the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I would suggest you go and see it. You can see more pictures on Instagram. My name is Santi Jackson 27. I'll see you Moonwalkers in the next video. Stay moonwalking.